Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do the block blast glitch. If you're playing the game block blast and you have seen some of the people doing the glitch where their score is increasing rapidly and you want to try it the same thing. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do it. So first you just have to simply install your block blast app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once you have it, simply open it up. Once you click onto its icon, then it will just take a while into the loading, and once the loading is done, it will take you to its home page where you have to select from which mod you would like to play. Now once a game plays, the glitch doesn't start immediately. It takes some time. What you have to do is that you just have to simply keep playing. On the top you can see the score is going and there's no diamond section or nothing different in this. That means there's no glitch right now, and once you keep playing you will see this icon at the top. So this is the icon where the glitch starts. So the glitch start when you start playing and you just simply get the combos. Once you get the combos, then the glitch start getting a lot of score. So actually this is not a glitch, this is by the game itself. Most of the people are calling it glitch because this is a new setting. So if you don't have the newest version, then you just have to simply get it and start playing. And once you start playing and your scores start increasing, like you doing some other things, you're just getting the combos like here I'm getting, then the glitch start and the score start immediately. For every little block you add, you get a lot of score against it. So you just have to simply keep playing again and again. Even if you lose, you don't have to worry, you don't have to again start your game, and then just simply play a little bit. And once you see there's a diamond shaped icon on your score, that means your glitch has been enabled, and then just simply start playing. So then you will see your score will increase rapidly. So that's the glitch of block blast. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.